Good morning. This is a vlog about just a kind of relaxed day where I'm just getting things done. Typical like Tuesday.
You wanna go outside? Okay.
Obviously, I start by taking Captain outside. I usually wake up around 7 or 8 in the morning and I take him out first thing. Next, I used to drink coffee, but it was my New Year's resolution to stop drinking so much caffeine, so I completely cut out coffee. Now I'm trying to hydrate instead, so I make myself a liquid IV. I love liquid IV. This is like a hydration multiplier, but it's just kind of something different than water, and I just like to mix it up because water gets really boring throughout the day, and I feel like this kind of replaces coffee as like a special treat in the morning. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody else but me, but that's like half the reason I loved drinking coffee was because it was such like a treat and like something to look forward to. And now I look forward to liquid IV, and I did the lemon lime flavor today. Next, I go ahead and make my bed. This is just like the first step in tidying my whole house. I feel like I don't know how, even when I'm home alone, I just end up having the worst mess all the time, and I truly don't get it. But so I spend the morning cleaning, just starting off my day with a clean slate, and that way I can like get work done and just kind of feel a little bit more relaxed. Now I went to clean the living room. I did put on the original Night Stalker documentary on Netflix. That was just, oh my gosh, my mind was totally blown watching that. And I mean, it was really well done, but also very scary. I actually don't understand how I have so many pairs of shoes. I feel like I just take my shoes off like before I sit on the couch, and then next thing you know, there's like my boots, there's my tennis shoes, there's Weston shoes. It's just like I'm always just like moving shoes around my house. And Captain's being so good. He loves to help with chores. He loves to help me change the sheets. He loves to help me do the laundry. And by help, I mean he likes to just get in the way. Next, I started some laundry. Just typical stuff. Megan is coming to town next week, and so I always like to just have towels washed and her sheets washed and just whatever is in my laundry basket. Super exciting. Megan got me like the holy grail of laundry detergent, which is Tide plus Oxy, which I know is like such an adult thing, but like y'all, it is a game changer and it really makes my clothes like super clean. Next, I made some breakfast for myself. I use these Trader Joe's air fried like hash browns. Oh my gosh, I know I've talked about them before, but I'm just obsessed. And then I put some organic buffalo style hummus on top of the hash brown that is like all air fried and toasty and delicious. And then I just cut up a hard boiled egg and combine it all together, and it is heavenly, you guys. Like, I am just obsessed. Like, I've eaten this exact same breakfast every day for the past like 2 weeks because it is just so good. I took a shower. I've been on a shampoo hunt, so I got these sample sizes. This is the Amber Filler Up shampoo, her shampoo line, and I'll give you a little review when I'm done. Hey, out of the shower, using this Laura Mercier moisturizer before I like do my makeup or anything. So review of the shampoo. I liked it. It was super sudsy, which was my issue with my old one. It just didn't suds up enough. I'm not sure I'm sold on the smell. I usually like a little bit more of like a spicy smell, if that makes sense, like spicy or floral. But this was like very fruity, which it's not bad. I just don't know if I like love it, but I'll definitely give it another shot. I guess I'll see when my hair dries what I think of the actual like formula and stuff. But Amber Filler Up, girl. Had to throw you some love, what can I say? Now I'm going to go do my makeup and get ready to take some photos for Poshmark. maybe shoot some TikToks if I can think of some ideas, and yeah. Now I am just drying my hair. I'm using this bed head blowout brush, I guess is what it's called. I know Revlon makes one. I know a couple other companies make them, and I am truly obsessed, especially with my short hair. It just makes everything go so much faster because I would used to have to blow dry it and then straighten it, and then this just kind of gives me a nice like bouncy look, and oh my gosh, I'm just in love with it because my short hair is hard to style but easy to style, if that makes sense. Alright, so now I'm just getting some clothes that I'm going to sell on Poshmark. I'm going to pick some out and then take photos in them to put on Poshmark. So, sounds like fun. Alright, Poshmark clothes time. I just kind of go through my closet, and I said this on my Instagram, but a lot of these clothes I was just keeping because they fit me at a certain time in my life, and I decided that I didn't want to hold on to clothes like that anymore, so I'm gonna sell them and get rid of them and feel great about myself. Okay, so I just shot all my Poshmark pictures, but I did just get a new box of new clothes. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you them, starting off with this La Academie. I always feel like I'm saying that wrong, but this is a gorgeous army green dress. It is so cute, and it comes with a belt. I would consider this color a neutral. I'm not really, like, I don't know, am I stupid for saying that? But I love this. Tights, I feel like I wear everything with tights. This jacket, so this is a Lovers and Friends jacket. Lovers and Friends is like one of my favorite brands on Revolve. I always find myself like gravitating towards their clothes, and I feel like just if I get Revolve clothes, I feel like a lot of them are always Lovers and Friends. Lovely neutral item. And it is so high quality, and it's gonna be so warm. I'm so excited. I'll probably wear that with some jeans, maybe a nice little bodysuit. And I got this t-shirt. It says something that I can't understand. But I did look it up online, and basically it's like catch the woman or something like that, or like the woman catches. I don't know. I thought it was cool, and I like that it like looks like a card, and like she looks cool. She's cool. So love her. Little top. I feel like since I've cut my hair, I've had to kind of like change my style. I feel like I'm either super cool, you know, super, you know, almost grungy, or I'm super, super feminine. And I feel like this shirt falls in the super feminine category. Kind of, you know, tight around the waist, and it's got these puff shoulders and another little accentuating elastic right here. This is a Majorelle, I think it's Majorelle. Her clothes I feel like are always super feminine, and I just love that. This dress, another La Academie. Hope I'm saying that right. Look how long it is. I gotta go like all the way back here. So it's a maxi dress, and Megan and I got a matching pattern. So she got, you know, it's a long sleeve dress. I think it's short, but we're gonna do a really fun twin shoot with this when she's in town next week, and I'm so excited about it. I've been trying to do these fun twin shoots because we're like, our style is very similar, but it's also very different. So we're kind of just trying to showcase like how we would style one item or one pattern and how it works just for kind of different styles. Lovers and Friends, once again. Get this untangled. I just feel like this is night out at a bar in the summer, just, you know, meeting up with some friends with like some jeans, just effortlessly stylish. That's what I meant to say. Not gonna happen for a long time because, you know, COVID, but a girl can dream, maybe this summer. Kind of a little sexy bodysuit. This is Michael Costello. And usually I have a bunch of dresses, really fun dresses from this collection, but I've never gotten like a casual item from this collection. And I like it because it has this little like under boob thing, which I feel like is like subtly sexy. And again, it's a nice neutral. This is also one of those me at a cool bar in the summer. If not, I'll just wear it at home. That is my Revolve haul. I'm super, super excited. Yeah, I'm super excited to style those, and Megan's gonna be here, like I said, next week, so she's gonna take some good photos for me. She's just the best, so stay tuned for that. Now I have to organize all these Poshmark clothes. Don't worry, Captain is not sleeping on the Poshmark clothes. Those are my personal clothes, like sweatpants and stuff. But those are the Poshmark clothes that I now have to organize. Oh man, so much clothing, so little time. Just finishing up some laundry. I know it's really crooked because it's just like chilling on the washer. Thrilling, really, just thrilling. So Megan is coming next week, and I'm washing her bedding because I'm such a good sister. Okay, so I didn't film it because I was on the phone and I'm using my phone to record, but just had like a long call with Megan. She handles like all of our business like numbers and stuff, so she was just like had like a bunch of like numbers questions for me. So we talked on the phone for a while. That was great. And now I am about to take the trash out. I mean, just like thrilling things. And then I'm going to probably eat some lunch and then take Captain for a walk. So yeah, going to the trash chute. Love it. Wow. Well, folks, welcome back to the kitchen. I am gonna have some lunch, which is the same thing that I had for dinner last night, just some little leftovers. I had sriracha tofu with fried rice, and then I made spicy mayo to go on top. I just want something quick, and I decided I am gonna order a pizza for myself later, so can't wait for that. But for now, I'm gonna have this whole thing. All right, now taking Captain for a walk. It was the most beautiful day, you guys. A little chilly, but look at that sun. Like, come on, look at this guy. Captain loves the walks, lives with the walks, so do I. Well, we're not even 5 minutes into our walk, and Captain's doing this. Why? It's so nice out. You should enjoy. Come on. Well, now I'm going to go drop off an Amazon package, return. Didn't realize how easy that was to do. Like, if I knew that, I would probably return a lot more stuff, but I just found out that it's super easy, so that's great. Next, after that, I'm just gonna go drive around, which I know sounds like really silly, but Megan is coming to town next week. We have a bunch of stuff to shoot, and we're just looking for locations to shoot at, and I haven't been like out and around downtown in like a very long time. I'm probably just gonna end up staying in my car, but I brought my mask just in case, obviously because I gotta do the return too, but I might just go walk around and see what good spots I can find to shoot some photos. So, you know, just trying to be overly prepared. All right, I did my scouting, found some really good spots. We're gonna take some cute pics. I'm gonna let Captain out of his kennel now. Hello! Okay, bye. Back in the kitchen, and now I just decided that I'm gonna make a cake. I love cake. I had the recipe or like the ingredients, so I'm gonna make a cake. All right, so here's me making a very easy boxed cake, but I am not gonna lie, you guys. I accidentally put in half a cup of water when I was supposed to put in a full cup of water, but I realized it like like 1 minute after it'd been in the oven. So I just like panicked and took it out and like dumped it all back in to the mixer. And I don't know what was up with me, but I just can't believe that I forgot or just didn't read it correctly. It just like didn't look right, and it kept adding like oil and water, and I was like, why does this not look thin enough? It is done. Now I gotta wait for it to cool, and then I'll frost it. Wow. Next, I put on a movie, and this is the time where I like to just like answer emails, set up scheduling stuff, and just kind of like get my life in order a little bit. I'm really bad at like answering emails and just like being proactive about that. So I usually always have to set aside a specific time of day where I'm like, okay, you're going to focus on answering DMs, you're going to focus on answering emails, you're going to focus on scheduling stuff that needs to be scheduled for next week or the weeks ahead. So that's what I did here. Super exciting. I think I was watching American Pie. I just go through phases where I just watch all the American Pie movies. I know it's kind of weird, but they're great movies, and they help me, just feel like I'm not home alone. I did it. So excited. Well, I don't know, I just didn't grease the pan good enough, but my cake didn't really work out, so that's great. All right, I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm gonna wash my face and stuff, but turn off all the lights. Captain, you ready to go to bed? Ready to go night-night, baby? You ready to go night-night, baby? Yeah, I know. Now I am taking off my makeup and doing my nighttime routine. So yes, I'm using makeup wipes, but since filming this video, I have gotten myself a makeup eraser, and I'm trying all these different balms that y'all have recommended because I'm like, time to get over the makeup wipe obsession, and I'm gonna be better to my skin and not use makeup wipes. But for this evening, I used some makeup wipes. Overall, I've just been really trying to up my skincare game. I just feel like it does make such a difference. I start off with this Tatcha cleanser. Oh my gosh, I love this cleanser. I'm not like married to cleansers. It's weird. I'm really specific about certain products, but cleansers, I feel like I mix up so much. I've used the Tatcha, I've used Olay, I've used First Aid Beauty. I just kind of like mix it up with the cleansers, but like this is a new thing for me. These are the Elizabeth Arden vitamin C pods. They look super weird in their little case, but oh my gosh, it makes a visible difference in my opinion. And then of course I always end it with the moisturizer, but I keep that by my bed because I always forget to put it on. And that's the end of the vlog. Good night, you guys.